Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope that you're doing well. I am Ashi and this is part 2 of my Valentine's Day gift video ideas. Now if you haven't seen part 1, the link is in the description and also in the I button up. Although watching part 1 is not compulsory to watch this, part 1 has more affordable gift ideas like around 100 and 500 and this part has the more expensive gift ideas which are 1000 and above. So if you are interested in that video then you can watch that after watching this one. Now without further ado, let's get on with this video.
Next category is under 1000 and that is where the gifts are much more elaborate and if this is your budget then here are some options. A Bluetooth mini speaker, a gourmet chocolate box if your partner is into sweets, an essential oil diffuser. There are sets of diffusers along with candles. They are also really pretty. Or you can even get them the electric ones. They are also really nice. Personalized jewelry, especially the jewelry from Jiva. Self-care gift boxes with soaps and scented candles and scrubs and other things. Honestly, most of these things are actually available on Blinkit. So you can just buy them the same day and gift it to them. There is literally no excuse now. You can get them a customized photo frame with like the star charts of the day you met or the day they were born. That is also very pretty, and if you can get it for under 1000 then that is a steal, guys. You can get your partner a miniature terrarium. That is also really pretty. Get them a journal or a planner with a personal note. You can get them for around 700 or 800. There are even more expensive ones, but they are available at this range as well. You can get your partner a candle making kit from Amazon if they are into DIY. You can get them a subscription box for snacks and books. You can get them a cute portable power bank, especially if they are an iPhone user. You can get them a coffee brewing set if they are a coffee lover. You can also get them a customized wall art or even a wall tapestry. That is going to be really pretty. A small backpack or a tote bag is also going to be so adorable. You can also get them a personalized cushion cover. Get them a perfume from a brand which sells under 1000 and do not get them a Bella Vita one because this one brand is literally everywhere and everyone including me is sick of seeing this brand now. Not that their perfumes are bad, their products are actually really nice, but they are just everywhere, so try doing something unique. Get your partner a leather card holder. This is actually a unisex gift and can be given to literally anyone. If you are with your partner on video call for long times, their hands are going to hurt like crazy, so get them a phone stand so you can talk for long without any pain. You can also get them a reusable water bottle. It does not have to be a fancy one with like a digital temperature and all that. It needs to be a good high quality one. Avoid plastic, I'd say get them a metal one. Milton has some amazing options. You can also customize them by adding their names or dates to it. If they are an artist like me, then you can get them art supplies like paint brushes and paints and pencil colors and those things. You can also get your partner a personalized watch strap if they are using an Apple Watch or even any other watch really. I'm sure you'll get it online. You can also get them an indoor plant with a nice decorative luxurious pot. Honestly, plants come in all price ranges according to your budget, so plants are always a good gift idea. You can DIY a scrapbook for your partner with photos and notes. And since your budget is high, you can buy a lot of art supplies to make it more pretty and like stickers and stuff. You can also like paste chocolates and other sweets on it for your partner. You can gift your partner a travel-sized grooming kit. For men especially, there are these ones from Beardo and Bombay Shaving Company, and there might be other companies as well, which I'm not very sure of. So you can search that online and that is going to be a very good gift. Personalized scented candles is also an amazing gift. Many small businesses do that these days and your partner is going to love it so much. Our final category is anything above 1000, so this can go as expensive as you want. And here are some options. Option 1 would be Suta saris. They are just so pretty, and if your partner is into saris or if you're yourself into saris, buy it for yourself because these are amazing and they are very high quality and they last so long. You can get your partner premium fragrances from Zara or the Body Shop. You can also get them wireless earphones. My personal favorites and the one that I've been using since over a year now are the ones from OnePlus. They costed me 1500 rupees, but their actual price is 2000, so you can look out for sale and give it to them. You can also gift your partner a smartwatch if it is under your budget. Get your partner gold plated jewelry or silver jewelry. Jiva is the most amazing option in this, I feel. Clara also makes amazing jewelry, and nowadays these are also available on Blinkit, so there is really no hassle of shipping either. You can get your partner a high-end skincare product like something from Wishful by Huda Beauty or Clinique or Laneige. You can also gift your partner designer sunglasses. You can also buy them a fashionable handbag from a small business or even from Amazon. You can also get your partner a custom name necklace. Now I'm not wearing one, I'm sorry I did my hand this way, but there are these companies which make necklaces with their names, and these days there is this one brand which is very famous which actually makes necklaces in the form of a QR code, so your partner can wear your name and nobody would even know. Again, I am not sponsored by that brand, it is just an idea that I really loved, so I thought I should mention them. You can get your partner a personalized leather wallet. This particular brand has been on my feed for so long, so you can get it from here. Also gift your partner an experience like a spa day or a manicure day, or you can plan some adventure for them, or maybe a picnic together or a date night. You can also buy your partner coupons to some show of an artist or a comedian that they really enjoy, and you can also buy them workshop tickets for a skill that they really wanted to learn or a course that they really wanted to attend. You can also gift your partner a Polaroid camera if they are into it, and if your budget is really off the charts, then you can give them a wine bottle and chocolates along with it. You can also get a home projector and watch a movie together. A silk pillowcase set is also something really nice, especially if your partner complains of hair loss or pimples on the skin. And if your partner is a coffee lover, then you can buy them a coffee machine and they are going to love it. Also, you can get them a fitness tracker from Fitbit, or you can also give them a sleep tracker from this brand. You can also gift your partner a personalized leather-bound notebook if they are into journaling and writing. A high-quality fuzzy cozy blanket is also going to be such a nice gift idea. You can also buy them subscription to a streaming services that they really like. An electric massager is something which every single person above the age of 25 needs. You can also gift your partner big, huge statement earrings. Now this can come for 250 also, and this can come for 2500 also. Personally, this one brand on Instagram named the Big Bling Bag is my personal favorite. I have been stalking them for such a long time. Again, not sponsored, but their jewelry is really pretty, and if it falls under your budget, then your partner is going to love it. And lastly, you can give your partner a designer home decor piece, and I would suggest that you buy it offline and not online, because you don't want to buy something super expensive and then find that it is damaged when it arrives. With that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you loved it. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, I need you to remember that these gifts are not just for somebody else. They can be for yourself also. Because personally, no matter how hard times were, how sad you've been, the only one person that has always been with you is you yourself. And you are the only person who's going to be with you in future as well. So do treat your partner really well for Valentine's Day, but do not forget to treat yourself good too, and do something nice for yourself as well. I hope this video was valuable to you. If it did, then please do give a like button. Do subscribe to the channel if you liked my content, and if you want more such content or vlogs or DIY stuff, then please keep on watching, and please stay tuned for the next video, and let's meet again later. Bye and have a nice day, and happy Valentine's Day.